Hello guys, I have this new rebuildable Genesis atomizer which is also a dripping rebuildable atomizer. This one is called the AGI and I got this one from Denkat. So this is the AGI that I got from Denkat. No? It is a 2-in-1 rebuildable atomizer. 2-in-1 meaning that it can be a rebuildable tank, and then it can also be a rebuildable dripper. So this is the air hole, which is around 1 mm. Now the kit comes with these small accessories, no? the some screws, o-rings, allen key, an extra spring, and that rubber grommet, and some samples of the mesh. Now this is the closer shot of the AGI. As you can see, it is very well polished and it is a fingerprint magnet. Well, the build and finish of the AGI is very good, no? It is an all stainless steel rebuildable tank and drip atomizer, but I don't think it is an all stainless steel rebuildable tank and atomizer, because I think the positive connection is brass, which is chrome plated, and also the poles, the two poles are brass and chrome plated also. So if you notice, no, I have this pre-built coil, no. Well, the AGI did not come pre-built. I will show you later kung bakit nilagyan ko siya niyan. So this is the upper deck. Now you can do single coil and single mesh build with the AGI, and also you can use silica if you want to make use of silica for the AGI, but you cannot definitely make a U-wick out of this AGI tank, and also a dual coil is not possible with the AGI, not unless you want to make use of this negative pole, no? Which is hindi pwede, no, para sa akin, no? And also it only has one air hole. The tank is made up of glass, which I measured in my caliper. It is at 1.5 mm. This is the glass tank, and oops, this is the o-ring of the upper deck, no? So when I inspected the inside part of the of the AGI, I noticed this spring. This is the spring which connects the 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 positive of the the positive end of of your coil whenever you will build the coil for the AGI. So the center shaft is also stainless steel, but the center pin is For me, it is a brass, which is also chrome finished. Now, if you want to use it as a dripping atomizer, all you will need is the upper deck and the top cap. So the upper deck also has this 510 connector now. So this part you will screw this part on your mod with a 510 connection. So in drip mode, it will look like this. So in drip mode, no, whenever you will want to use this in drip mode, all you have to do is to screw in the extra Allen screw dun sa dalawang open holes, no, as you can see, no. So yung Allen screw niya ay isang maliit na screw lang na you will use to plug the two holes. Now, nasaan na yan? So this is the Allen screw, which you will screw into the holes. Now the use of this coil, no, I will demonstrate to you the voltage drop of the AGI in tank configuration and in drip mode, no. So we will test kung gumagana yung coil. So nakikita nyo, gumagana yung coil, no. Now this is a 0.32 millimeter tantal, no. Now we will check the resistance of the build. Hopefully makita nyo. .3, that is 1.3 ohms. Now that is 1.3 ohms whenever the AGI is on tank configuration. So if we will use this one as a drip mode, as a dripping atomizer, that's the O-ring again, and that is the 510 connection. We will put it back sa ating Provari. Now we will again check the resistance. Now we have a 0.9 ohms. That is 0.9. So the one that's causing the voltage drop is the spring, no? So I just wish na sana ginawa na lang diretsong center pole. Now this one will be the thumbs down for me. So what I did is that I immediately naghanap ako ng magagamit ko sa aking sa aking toolbox, no? Anything that will replace this one. Now sa international forums, they've suggested that you can replace this with copper tube, small diameter copper tube, no? which they can buy in any foreign hardware store, no? Pero sa atin dito sa Pilipinas kasi very rare ang small diameter copper tubes eh. I've already canvassed copper tubes sa may hardware or auto supply, no? And I did not get any copper tubes, no? So nag-canvas din ako sa aircon supply, meron sila pero hindi ganun kaliit with the same diameter as this one, no? So what I did is that I made use of this little tube which you can get sa mga lumang clearomizers or cartomizers, no? Pinutol ko yung tube na yon, and then I measured it up, and it is around 10.5. So you will be needing 10.5 millimeters of this kind of tube. Well, this tube is brass and it is chrome plated, and what I did is that I will insert this tube dito sa center pole, just like so, and then lagay natin tong o-ring, and then the glass tank, and then the upper deck. Oops, sorry, you have to put back the center shaft. So the o-ring of the upper deck is still there. Then we tighten it up, and then we will check the resistance again. Tignan natin kung magpa-fire. Okay, pa-fire siya. Now the resistance again of the AGI with the modified center pole, no, will be I hope you can see this, 0.9. Again, AO, that is 0.9. So with that simple modification, no, na-eliminate na natin yung voltage drop. So now after we have built the mesh and coil, no, we will put in some e-liquids, no. I will be using this 8 Peaks bubble gum, which I really like very much. Bigyan lang natin yung tank. Okay, and we will put in a few drops dito sa ating mesh. And then we will replace the top cap. Which is really very tight, no? So wala kang problema sa wiggling. And we will put it on a pulse 18350 mod. So this is how the AGI will look like now. It really looks very good sa aking Pulse by RM. Now we will test the performance of the AGI. Okay, so that is the close-up of the AGI from Denkat, and nakikita nyo naman, I'll be using this one with my Pulse 18350, which looks really very beautiful, no? With the Pulse, no? And we will now test the performance of the excuse me, of the AGI, no? So again, the build is 0.9 as you've seen earlier, no? So this is how it performs. Wow, the performance of the AGI is really very good. And also the looks, I really like the looks of the AGI. Mind you, I also have this Agati, which for me is very bulky, no? And for the weight, no, the Aga T is mas masyado siyang mabigat, no, compared to the AGI, which for me I think is very well balanced, no, especially pag nakalagay siya sa aking 18350 mods. Well, the only downside I really saw with the AGI is the spring. Now, unfortunately, every AGI that you will get will have a spring on its center pole, no? So definitely you will be getting voltage drop of 0.3 or 0.4 whenever you will be using it on on a tank configuration. That is the problem with Chinese Chinese accessories or mods. Pag binili mo na siya and there is this I don't see it as a factory defect. There is this fault, just like the spring. Hindi mo na siya maisasoli. Excuse me again. Or hindi mo na siya mapapa-replace because it was made that way and you bought it that way. So you will be stuck with that fault. For the thumbs up, no, I really like the innovation of the AGI. I like the two-in-one configuration of the AGI. And aside from that, I really like the AGI in tank configuration. I love using this as a Genesis rebuildable tank. And in fact, I also ordered I've already ordered one more extra, no? So that I can use the other one as a dripping atomizer. So performance wise, this is good naman eh. For the price of 1,500, I think that is the SRP of the AGI, no? It is still relatively inexpensive for its price because you will get 2-in-1 rebuildable atomizer. And the performance, once you've eliminated the voltage drop, masarap na siyang gamitin eh. I have had no problems with the building of the coil and the performance of the tank. and I have still not experienced any leaking. So the tank is very well sealed now. And again, I will make another two. I really love the performance, the vapor production, and the flavor, and the throat hit, and I like the the air hole is, I think that is 1 millimeter, no? I like the draw, which is very light. You can make a direct drag or a long vape with this kind of air hole now. So that's it. That is the 1,500 peso rebuildable atomizer from Denkat. Now if you want to buy the AGI, all you have to do is to check Denkat's FB page, or you can drop by at any Denkat store here in the Philippines, and you can get yourself one of these. And maybe next video I will show you how it performs in dripping configuration. And again, this is Prince Rivera, aka The Great, Pinoy Vapors Forum, and have a good day.
Cool.